Hello YouTube, part 3 here. That's how it looks said and done. Original legs were too long, so I cut them down 7 inches, and it fits perfectly now. There's even a bit of room there too. There's about 2 inches of room, about 1.5 inches room in between the top of the recoil shroud on the Briggs and the bottom shelf, but hopefully that piece of plywood there doesn't bend over time. That's 3/4 inch thick wood. That's not half inch cheap crap that you can buy anywhere. This is, you know, I mean, it would probably break under 1/4 inch, but you know, half inch will probably warp over time, and hopefully the 3/4 inch will actually be able to support its weight for many years. Not bad though. I should do cold starts of these sometime soon, since well, they still have some gas left in them. But still have a frickin' candy cane lying around. Well, alright, I guess it fell, but don't have plans on using that snowblower this year. Don't know why. Just don't think we need it this year. This is the garage. Oh well, that's it for now.